Health sector reforms to create a conducive environment for key operators in the public health sector for enhanced health care service delivery has been advocated. This view was expressed at a public lecture on incessant strike in the Nigerian health sector held in Ibadan, Oyo State. Adebola Ogunlana reports.
Worried by the incessant strike, especially in the public health sector, Professor Adefolarin Malomo in his lecture attributed causes of industrial disharmony to unresolved conflicts by parties involved. He, however, suggested ways to resolve misunderstanding to discourage strike actions.
They're fighting, they're arguing without listening one to another. And some, I think, are deliberately just trying to push things a little further than is necessary. I think ultimately there will be a measure of give and take.
Former Chief Medical Director, UCH, Professor Abiodun Ilesami, stressed the need to empower younger generation in the health sector as a way of bridging the gap.
I don't think we should put ourselves in position to over-pressurize the government. Government cannot do everything all alone.
If these suggestions get to the key people, it may be able to help us in the healthcare sector.
The lecture listed comprehensive health sector reform, adequate consultation, and capacity building as antidotes to incessant strike in the public health sector in Ibadan. Adebola Ogunlana, NTA News.